Today was a football day. It was supposed to snow today, but it never snowed. And I'm so tired right now because we just played football. Oops. Grilled cheese, grapes, tomato soup, grapes, grilled cheese. I did.
Oops.
And I played catch today too. I'm done. What the heck is going on? Summer.